we're going to transfer files using 4 plugins: compression and executable starting together, then encryption, at last file transfer. In the Action tab you can specify if you need to extract a file with all the relative parameters, create an archive or update an existing one. We're going to create a zip file, archive type, with a number of source files using a path specified in the variable table of each workstation, and we're going to name it in conjunction with the name of the folder destination where we want the file be transferred to. The Connection tab lets you choose between symmetric encryption, where a specific algorithm can be selected, and asymmetric encryption, where a public key is used to encrypt while a private key is used to decrypt. Moving to the Action tab, we are going to use the zip file created by the compression plugin as the source for the encryption job. Once the source folder has been specified, we need to select the kind of action we want to perform and specify the path to the folder destination. In the File Transfer plugin Connection tab, we need to specify how to connect to the transfer destination. We then need to enter the remote user credentials in the form of a username and a password or a key store when selecting SSH. In the Action tab, we then need to specify whether we are sending or receiving the files. Source file contains the files that are going to be transferred. In this case, the files we just encrypted with the encryption plugin and other files in the specified folder. We are then going to specify the path to the desired destination and add destination files permissions in case you don't want to use the default ones. You can also rename the files specifying the matching expression and the substitution expression. The Options tab contains a range of options to replace, rename, append, skip a file or add a job in case the transferred file is already in the folder destination. It also lets you choose between binary or text transfer modes. The last job for this job stream is called Expose Date. It's an executable plugin that lets us add the timestamp to the file name for the file transfer plugin. We then need to submit the job from the file transfer plugin. The Monitor Job Stream page shows all the jobs currently running, while the Workflow Details page shows the processes of the file transfer plugin in action, including the remaining time for each task. In this page we can also pause, resume and/or restart any file transfer.